Hi guys. I got sent this clip several times asking me what was my take on it, and let me just say it irritated the hell out of me. This clip proves the point that I've been making about women since I started making videos in 2015 targeted towards women. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let's play the clip.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
What
Hi.
are you reading?
Yeah, I was actually reading. I ship out in a few days, so I was just reading The Art of Strategy.
Okay.
In the military?
Yeah, so actually, I'm a nuclear physicist for the Navy,
No.
so I do that in a few days.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
How old are you?
I am 27. I look a little young. I'm not that young.
Yeah, you look young.
So where do you live?
So I'm actually in the Woodlands, Texas, right now. Right down there by Houston. I'm about 30 minutes away from Houston, so I'm a little close.
Oh, nice. Okay, so tell me a little bit about yourself.
Man, where do I start? I like martial arts a lot. I did a bit of pharmacy back when I was a little bit younger, about 2-3 years ago. I got certified at pharmacy around when I was 17. I didn't really do anything with it. I went to university for a while. I was getting like a business degree, so I have a bachelor's in business. And then I did pharmacy for a little while, for about 3 years, and then got bored. So I was like, let's go see what the military has to offer. Didn't do anything. I did my PICAT about a year ago. Got a 96 on that. It goes up to a 99. Got a 96. They offered me nuclear physics, and I was like, why the fuck not? So I went there, and now I ship out in a few days.
Oh, okay, nice. Well, best of luck as you ship out pineapples.
Yeah. Why?
Because he literally didn't tell me any qualities about himself. He's just like, I made a 96 on this. I did this. And I feel like I did that at first too. But however, I need a man with some personality.
You felt that quick? You know you didn't have personality?
Yes, I'm really good at reading people.
Okay.
All right, let me start by saying communication is 70 to 93% nonverbal. Facts. Meaning you don't have to say how you feel. You show how you feel via body language, facial expressions, etc. Women like this irk the hell out of me because her whole vibe is very arrogant from the jump, whether she realizes it or not. She has a I'm better than you type of energy. See, arrogance is a sign of insecurity, not confidence. I saw in another clip her saying that she's often misunderstood because she has a quote unquote resting bitch face, and people think she's mean because she's pretty. No, people think you're mean because you are. Simple as that. That's the energy you give off, and that's how you portray yourself. It doesn't have a damn thing to do with looks. You think you're too pretty. Get off your pedestal, mama. I feel like a lot of women use this same people think I'm mean because I'm pretty statement as a way to stroke their own ego, while at the same time not taking responsibility of the fact that maybe you're just a piece of shit human being. And a lot of women are not ready to admit that. The moment this man started talking about his accomplishments, she had already made it up in her mind that she wasn't interested. She felt instantly insecure the moment that he said he was a nuclear physicist. When people feel like you're out of their league, they often get dismissive because they're no longer comfortable in that environment. They no longer feel comfortable in the presence of that person. So it's no surprise to me how quick she was to dismiss him and get him off the line. Then she goes on to say, I need a man with some personality. So in 2 minutes, she concluded that this man who she had just met had no personality. No, that's code for he's out of my league and I'm not used to this quality of a man. Now, I'm not saying that she should have been interested in him solely because of what he does for a living or how educated he is, but it seems like he brings to the table the qualities that most women are always yelling they want. But wanting something and feeling like you deserve something are two different things. A lot of these women say they want a good man, but deep down inside, they don't even feel like they deserve one because they're insecure. If someone is not your type, then they're not your type. But it's the way you go about letting that person know they're not your type that says a lot about you as a person. See, these are the same type of women that'll be yelling there's no good men left in a few years because they passed them all up for the ones with nothing to offer but breaking their back in bed. By the time they realize that, it's too late because the high quality men are already happily married with kids or in a relationship because they found someone who actually recognizes their worth and what they bring to the table. So my take on this clip is this is just a living example of what a lot of men have to go through and deal with in order to find a woman who's actually worth their time and effort. This is why a lot of men feel like the dating scene isn't even worth it anymore. I don't necessarily think that she's a bad person, and I don't even think that she directly meant any harm, but indirectly, she did trigger a lot of men because this is a representation of their everyday reality. And I tell men all the time that the messed up reality is this: the higher a man upholds societal standards, so that's opening the door for a woman, giving compliments, showing respect, etc., the more that these type of women are actually turned off. It's just a harsh reminder that you can bring everything to the table, including the damn table itself, and still not be enough. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.